Ginger belongs to the Zingiberaceae plant family, which also includes cardamom and turmeric. Its distinct spicy aroma comes mainly from ketones, particularly gingerols, which are the focus of much health-related scientific research. It has a peppery, slightly sweet flavor with a strong, spicy aroma, and over 115 active compounds have been identified in both fresh and dried ginger. Fresh ginger primarily contains gingerols, which are somewhat reduced in dry ginger, while dried ginger mainly has showgales. In this video, I'll discuss 6 scientifically backed health benefits of ginger. Number 1. Antioxidant properties. Ginger contains antioxidants that help counter oxidative stress, which is associated with numerous diseases. Oxidative stress results from free radical formation in the body, and antioxidants neutralize these free radicals, thereby reducing oxidative stress and disease risk. More than 50 antioxidants have been extracted from ginger rhizomes, grouped as gingerol-related compounds and diryl heptanoids. Number 2. Anti-inflammatory properties. Known for its anti-inflammatory effects for centuries, ginger has gained scientific backing over the past 25 years. Studies have found that ginger possesses anti-inflammatory properties similar to nonsteroidal anti-inflammatory drugs used to manage inflammation and pain. Ginger helps inhibit the synthesis of prostaglandins, a primary chemical in inflammation, making it beneficial for chronic inflammatory conditions like osteoarthritis and rheumatoid arthritis. Number 3. Relief from nausea and morning sickness. Ginger's traditional use for alleviating nausea and vomiting is well established. Active components like gingerols and showgales help break down and expel gas from the stomach and intestines and promote gastric contractions and emptying. These effects make ginger effective for easing nausea and morning sickness. Number 4. Anti-cancer effects. Ginger contains compounds with anti-cancer properties, including gingerols, showgales, and zirumbone. These compounds help reduce cancer growth by limiting free radical formation, promoting cancer cell death, inhibiting cancer cell division, and blocking enzymes needed for cancer progression. Research has shown potential benefits against several cancer types, including lymphoma, colorectal cancer, breast cancer, liver cancer, and bladder cancer. Number 5. Cardiovascular benefits. Ginger has been shown to lower LDL cholesterol and triglyceride levels while raising HDL cholesterol, which reduces the risk of cardiovascular disease. Additionally, ginger has antiplatelet effects, which can reduce unwanted blood clot formation in blood vessels. However, if you're on anticoagulant medications like aspirin or clopidogrel, avoid ginger, as it may increase bleeding risk. Ginger also contains compounds that may help lower blood pressure, but if you're already on blood pressure medication, it's best to avoid excessive ginger intake as it may significantly lower blood pressure. Number 6. Blood sugar-lowering effects. Gingerol is a primary substance responsible for ginger's anti-diabetic properties. It helps lower blood sugar by promoting glucose uptake in peripheral tissues, reducing glucose production by the liver, and decreasing the formation of advanced glycation end products, which are linked to diabetes complications.